Today, I'm going to be teaching you 4 things. 1. How to install React.js using the npx command. 2. How to name the project folder the right way. 3. How to cd into your project folder after installing React. And 4. How to start the development server. So, let's get started. Before we get started, I need you to know that you need to have NodeJS installed. If you do not have NodeJS installed, then you will not be able to follow along what we are about to do in the tutorial. To install NodeJS, all you need to do is go to the description below and click on the video that will show you how to install Node.js. But if you already have Node.js installed, then you can keep watching this video. We're going to start by opening our PowerShell terminal right here. Press Shift and right click so that you can see the option to open up the PowerShell right in this folder where you want to install your project. Now to create your React project, all you need to do is type in npx space create dash react dash app space the name of the project. Now, one thing to keep in mind when writing the name of the project, there can be no capital letters and there can be no spaces. You can use a dash. Now press enter and your app creation will begin. Now our app has been created. To start our app, first we need to run the command cd and then the name of the app. We named ours Doctor's Clinic. Press enter and you will enter the folder where our app is installed. Next, type in the command npm start. Press enter. Now you will see the development server is starting. And there you go. Our server has started on localhost 3000. If I refresh this, our app is up and running. If you like this tutorial and want more, subscribe to the channel and give it a like.